But I chose to go with the Colt because the Colt retained the magazine release of an AR-15. So that means I could go and get an ambi release that I like.
Yeah, yeah.
Which is like the forward
Something
controls.
you're familiar with and used to anyways.
Yeah. And I could still drop the magazine, whereas with a Glock low receiver, I'd have to drop the weapon, reach around, push the button.
Give it a reach around?
Yeah, I had to give it a reach around and jerk off that magazine.
Jerk it all kinds of off.
Well, not jerk it off, I'd have to jerk it out.
Jerk it out off. It's a new thing the kids are doing these days.